outdoors and avoid using flash photography and self-displays. And lastly, please don't try to reach out our animals. That's a male zebra po. Pag black ang color is male, pag like zebras. They are black in color with white stripes. And their stripes are unique just like our fingerprints. There's no two zebras that has the same pattern. And they can sleep while standing with open eyes because they have locking joints just like horses and giraffes. And they can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. And those two over there, those are blessback. A reddish brown in color with white markings on its face. That white markings, that serves as their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of their built-in sunscreen. Once again, the zebra and blessback. Wow. That one is there with a long and straight horn, that is gemsbok or oryx gazelle. They are known for their long and straight horn, where it can grow up to 33 inches. And they can survive without drinking water for a month or even a year. That's because they will just depend on the moisture of a plant that they go through. And they are also the logo of the Qatar Airways. Kanang buffalo nga dili buffalo, dili ma'am. That is wildebeest. A large antelope with a gray coat and black mane on its face. And if you are familiar with the movie Lion King, they are the same species who accidentally killed King Mufasa during stampede. And they are also known as the clown of the savannah because of its unusual dance moves to attract female during mating season. Once again, gemsbok and wildebeest. Isugay sila daw.
Gazelle.
Nothing, a daily nothing. Those are waterbuck. A large antelope that is gray to reddish brown in color with white circular ring on its rump. And they have that stinky smell. And the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the more sila nga manimaho, the more sila nga attractive sa mga babae. Munang digit sila only male have horn while female
Kandingon dahil sila.
Wapo sa ilaha pagbaho sila. Mabahuay ng ilaha diri ang atribo. Once again, aritas nagaway. Kanang bubog sungay, that is ilan. One of the largest antelope, and despite of that huge size, they are great jumpers. For they can jump up to 8 feet, and they can run 25 miles per hour. And kaning isa nga taas ug sungay, that is greater kodo. They have the longest horn among all the antelopes, for it can reach up to 72 inches, and it will naturally twist once every 2 years. And they have that ability to become motionless when they feel threatened or endangered. And the two baby zebras, JJ and Neo, 4 years old and 5 years old, Filipino citizens. They were born in Ilan. Mga Pinoy na citizen. Pumunta ka kaglaw ng Pinoy, basan sila Ilaw, malili, Ilaw. Those, katong color brown, that is impala. A medium size of antelope that is brown in color with slim legs. Despite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the fleet runners and fantastic jumpers of the savannah. For they can run 90 kilometers per hour, they can jump 3 meters in height, and they can reach 10 meters in length. And kanang gamay nga, Naginusara, that is Thompson's gazelle, the smallest antelope that we have here in African savanna, and they can run 80 kilometers per hour. Gamay siya lantawan, pero adult size na niya, di na siya mudako. Once again, Impala and Thompson's gazelle. Kaliwat ko na naman.